Okay, this is on a 2013 Honda Civic. Basically, we end up adding a system to the vehicle because they keep breaking in and stealing the airbags. This false area is pretty hot for rim theft from Tahoes, airbags, tailgates, everything. I don't know what's up with the false area, but there's so many break-ins in vehicles and houses and whatnot. So basically, he wanted to get an alert too on the phone when the alarm fires off, and also have GPS to track the vehicle for any other purposes. I'm going to go ahead and trip the alarm. Start popping in. Basically, it takes about maybe 5 or 6 seconds before you get the notification. So this is the shock sensor add-on to this factory alarm system, and he gets the push notification as well when the alarm fires off. This alarm add-on was installed in this Honda Civic by the Falls area. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and this is Auto Alarm Specialist, and yes, we do have free mobile service.